Hi, Bill Feaver here. I just thought I'd share something with you. Today I'm doing a walk, a 5K to raise money for Young Life, which is a ministry. My nephew is the area director of Young Life where we live, and they're doing it nationwide, I believe, to raise money for kids to go to camp. And so I was thinking about I'm going to walk. I walk about between 4 and 6 miles a day. And it started with me. I joined Weight Watchers about 12 years ago to lose weight. I needed to lose 50 pounds. And so as part of that, I started walking. I don't like to ride bike. I don't go to the gym. I don't do a lot of that stuff, but I like to walk. And so I walk. I live in the country, so I walk on the roads. I walk around town. I walk in the fields. I do a lot of walking. And when I work as a teacher now, and I walk around my campus a lot, all day long. And so I was thinking back to two teachers that were my teachers when I was in high school. And when I farmed, I would go back and forth between ranches, and I'd see them out walking every day. They were retired already. And they walked and they walked and they walked. And I walk too now. And I'm saying to myself, I'm getting old. Maybe this is the last thing I'm going to do is walk. But as I pondered it, I thought walking is a way of keeping moving. And keeping moving is important throughout your life. And our job is never done until we take our last breath. And there's always something we should be doing. And I started about 7 months ago with the Home Business Academy as a business, an entrepreneurial business, an affiliate business that I wanted to try to have something not only to do when in retirement, but something that might bring me a little money. And also, I found once I got into it that I met people online and I really connected with them. I communicate with them. I haven't seen them in person, but I've seen their videos. I've watched them on in chat rooms. I've seen them in emails. And so we're developing a relationship. And so that's pretty cool. And I think that that's something that keeps you active, keeps you going. And so I just wanted to share that with anyone that's looking for an opportunity where they might get a little income, but they might meet people and to know more about something to do with the rest of your life if you're my age or older. And so I thought I'd share it. And if you're interested, I've got some connections below that will lead you to learning more about the Home Business Academy. And I just wanted to share that with you. So have a good day.